Hello everyone. Today I make a quick demo to showcase how simple it is to store and mint music data NFTs. With Itheum, any musician can now mint dynamic albums or playlists and license them as data NFT. The question is, why to mint a music data NFT instead of a regular NFT? Well, with the regular NFTs, there's no guarantee that you can update the song and it will become publicly available. While with the data NFTs, you create an on-chain token gating with no extra architecture built on creator side. And you can update the content behind the NFT whenever you want with just a few clicks while maintaining the same characteristics as a regular NFT. Let's explore a few necessary steps to store a music file on IPFS using a tool called ZedStorage, which allows you to upload and update data stream for data NFTs by design. First thing, you have to go on ZedStorage.com and then connect your wallet. In my case, I'll use the default browser wallet and just click connect. And what I want to do today is to store new data asset, a dynamic data storage, a music data NFT. I'm gonna opt for decentralized Web3 storage, and last but not least, we'll choose IPNS plus IPFS because this option allows me to update the data stream with just a few clicks. Start uploading, and we are going to give it a name for the data bunker. Demo day one. Creator is gonna be me, and we are just going to add a new song. Bogdan. What was that? Artist name Bogdan. Album name Bogdan's album. Category sound effects. Title SFX for bits. Let's call it like this. And we just click here, and Fire and Ash is gonna be the song that we are going to upload. And then we are just taking a cover for our song. That's quite simple, and let's just preview how it tunes. I can play it in here, I can stop it, I can play with the volume up and down. I can choose to fast forward. So everything is working nicely. Click on upload data, and that's it. I'm gonna wait a few moments, and after that we are ready to go and mint the data NFT. In the meantime, on mainnet on the data DEX, you'll see that we have a few prerequisites which tells you what you need to make sure you have in your wallet in order to be able to mint the data NFT. So there will be an anti-spam fee, which currently is 10 Itheum, and then at the current stage there are 999 Itheum tokens which have to be bonded for a period of 3 months to prove your positive intentions, and then you'll need the network fee, which 0 gold will cover everything. So for the testing purposes, we are going to not to use the mainnet version, but we are going to use the testnet version. At the moment, you can see that my music it's already uploaded on PNS, and what's really important, I need this IPNS location. So I'm gonna copy this one, going to the Itheum.io, and we are connecting the same wallet as the wallet I used on ZedStorage. Just click on mint the data NFT, and because I want to protect my files and don't show the storage location of the songs, I'm gonna use a flag for the data marshal to keep it hidden. So this tag is, you can find it in here in the Itheum docs. the data marshal network, data marshal transit flags, and headers. The flag which we be using today is the nested stream, and what I'm gonna copy from the question mark plus the tag and just gonna add it in here. This will protect my storage location. It will not be disclosed. So on the data stream URL, I just copied the IPNS location and I just added the tag at the end. On the data preview, I already prepared something. We just streamed the song and there is a sample of this song and I uploaded it on IPFS using Pinata. And that's it. Data stream URL and the data preview. Let's move forward and add the token name. For this example, we are going to use sound effects and sound effects for get bits. It's going to be the dataset title. As a description, I've created this one. How many copies do I want? I can mint a maximum of 10,000 copies. Let's say I'm gonna mint 1200 and I'm gonna choose royalties 5%. And of course there is the extra asset. For those that doesn't know what what the extra asset is, they can click in here and you'll see the extra asset will flip on the data decks on the Itheum Explorer. At the same time, we have audition zone if you want to support the community members that are playing beats every day to collect experience points within the Itheum protocol. You can choose to donate. Let's donate the preset percentage 10%, which means that I'm gonna donate 120 data NFTs to the Itheum community. I just click on next, and now that's quite straightforward. You just need to, I already read liveliness bonding, penalties and slashing terms, and the same thing for the terms of use and the anti-spam fee. Please read them, and once you agree with them, just perform the action on the mint form. That's it. Mint the data NFT. We are waiting to get a cool geometrical shapes image, and once we are receiving this image and the metadata is saved on IPFS, we can check if the stream is there, and then we have to confirm it. We sign the transaction, and that's it. We will have our music data NFT up and running on Multiverse 6 blockchain in a few moments. Once we complete this, in order to view the file, we can opt to go and ask that this particular data NFT to be added in the NFTunes, and whoever owns it can access the music behind it. As we discussed in the beginning, there is the token gating directly on the NFT itself. So that's it. The NFT is in our wallet. We can visit our data NFT wallet, and here we have a few data NFTs that we previously minted, and we're just refreshing. It might not appear in the first moments. So there it is. Sound effects for get bits. I'm the creator. If I click on view data, a JSON file will be downloaded, but I cannot access the music. So that we need to add this particular NFT, data NFT in the NFTunes so people can enjoy the music. That's it for today. It was quite easy and simple. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.